Hi and welcome to episode number 452 with whatsforchow.com. Today we're looking at some remarkable kitchen multi-tools from TNK. I found the TNK website and contacted them. They were kind enough to send me a whole bunch of products, and we will cover these over the next few days. You can buy these directly from TNK and their details are below in the description. The first two products on test are these two very interesting looking multi-tools. The larger of the tool is for use on your barbecue, and with the exception of the silicone grips, the entire unit is good quality, well-finished stainless steel. On the left-hand side of the lifter assembly, you will find a set of teeth, which are ideal for picking up and turning sausages and kebabs. At the end of the upper lifter assembly is a set of prongs. These allow you to skewer and lift foods that may be awkward to lift or turn with the lifter assembly. The next step is pure genius. When the lifter assembly is closed, the food on the prongs is gently squeezed off of the prongs. A very nice afterthought is the built-in bottle opener in the handle of the unit. What barbecue is complete without a good cold beer? The unit stores in a closed position, which is locked by pulling a loop at the end of the handle. The second in this range is made specifically for use with non-stick pans. The design is identical, however the unit is slightly smaller and has a durable nylon lifter assembly. All of the other features are the same as its big brother, however it does not feature the bottle opener. Stay tuned for our next episode where we're going to be putting both of these to the test, making an amazing meal of Jamaican jerk chicken kebabs and jerk chicken burgers. Thanks for joining us today. Please subscribe to our channel and we'll see you again tomorrow.